Hey folks, pretty nice Friday night across the valley. Your temperatures upper 60s and low 70s, even down to 62 now in Harlingen, cooling off nicely across the region. We'll bottom out probably low 60s. Some places will touch the upper 50s by 6 o'clock in the morning. Warmer at the beach, about 71. Then by afternoon, we all climb up close to 90. A lot of places will probably touch 90 briefly, then cool off again tomorrow night. But tomorrow night, Sunday morning, not quite as cool, mid 60s instead of low 60s, but during the day Sunday, same thing, pushing 90. That's about it. Going forward to Monday morning, then it's a little warmer, closer to 70 to start the day. And when you see the nighttime lows start to come up, that's a sign the humidity, the dew points are coming up, and you know the humidity will be back, and temperatures again back in the 80s on Monday. High temperatures tomorrow and Sunday about 90. We cool it off a couple of degrees for Monday and then kind of keep it right near normal through most of next week, and then by about Friday back in the mid 90s once again. Pretty quiet night across Texas. In fact, a very quiet night weather-wise across Texas. The nearest rain to the southwest of El Paso, and then some stuff up over the deep south. Memphis seeing rain tonight, but over the Lone Star State, nothing. Courtesy of the northwest flow in the upper atmosphere. That flow will buckle a little bit. These lines show what's going on up high in the atmosphere, and by the time you get to Sunday afternoon, it's more of a southwest flow instead of a northwest flow. What that means is it's grabbing Pacific moisture, starting to bring a few clouds in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. Not overcast by any means, but just a few clouds. At the same time, down at the ground underneath that are winds coming off the Gulf. So we're starting to see an increase in the humidity. We'll see that really starting Monday in earnest and then lasting through the middle of the week. And with that, you get more clouds across the state of Texas because that wind, southeasterly wind, goes all the way up through the state. Another front coming in from the west. It takes its time. Out ahead of it, a few showers on Wednesday and maybe a few showers on Thursday, but I think we're still pretty much rain free with the exception of maybe a brief sprinkle from those clouds. Next chance of any significant rain, I wouldn't even call it significant, but maybe Friday when that front gets close, but that's about it. Behind it, drier air builds in once again. So your rain chances, we see nothing over the weekend. About a 10% chance on Tuesday and Wednesday. We go dry again Thursday and then back to 10% on Friday of next week. If you're traveling for the weekend, headed to San Antonio in the morning, your day will start at about 50 to 58 degrees, 57 in Houston. Same thing in Dallas. By afternoon, almost everybody warms into the 80s. Quick check some other temperatures around the country. Just pick a city. 45 in Columbus, Ohio. Cleveland, same thing. You get up into Michigan, 40s, 30s. There's some cold air on the weather map, but it's not here. Instead, just pleasantly cool tonight for us. 59 for your low. Skies clear, humidity's down. Then tomorrow, sunny, still low humidity, a warm afternoon, back up to 90. Southeasterly winds about 7 to 15. 90 again on Sunday, a little cooler Monday by day, but notice the nighttime lows come up. That's a sign those moisture levels are increasing. A couple of sprinkles possible Tuesday and Wednesday, mainly dry Thursday, and maybe an isolated shower on Friday of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.